Wow. Oh, the helicopter's out. It's gone miles in the air and way back into the crowd. Oh, well, the helicopter shot. There it is. Oh, the chopper. And he's watching it. He knows it's gone, but he wants to see how far it's gone. The moment it was a hit of the middle, everybody knew it was going to go out. But how far out? It's gone over the roof. The ball's lost. It's gone out off the ground.
That was worth coming to the Chinnaswamy Stadium. Watch it every day of the week. Oh, brilliant. Unbelievable. Outstanding shot.
Goes again. Bottom end. Over Warner. Second six. Look at the helicopter. Look at the bottom of. Wonderful shot. Work with the wrist, propelling the ball in the air. Tempted to ask him if there was a helipad at the ground. He's...
अब चला है हेलीकॉप्टर, लेकिन उतनी दूरी नहीं मिली, क्योंकि अगर आप शॉट पे रिप्ले पे देखेंगे तो जो बायां हाथ था वो बैट से हट गया था।
मलिंगा जो मर्जी डाल रहे हैं, आज उसको छक्का पड़ रहा है और रोस्ट तो बीमार बहुत थी क्योंकि मिड ऑफ ऊपर था। ऐसा लगा कि धोनी ने ऑन साइड पे मारने की कोशिश किया, पर जब दिन हो वो जा रहा है जहाँ पे आपको रन मिलेगा।
Dhoni is the call. He's hit it in the air. Fina trying to get underneath it. And he's gone all the way. Now, there you go. That'll do. Not quite sure what he did there, but it's very, very effective.
In the air, maybe safe. He's safe. Reaches the boundary somehow.
Missed time. Let's have a look at this shot. It's gone wrong completely. It's almost slighted straight up, and look where it bounces. 5 meters and
10 of the over. Goes again. Make it 6 more. 16 of the over. And what a shot again. If the previous one was on the onside, this one's on the offside. You can't keep this man quiet. Wow. Well, they're loving it.
In the air, it's a short boundary, and it's 6. It was a miss hit, a total miss hit from Dhoni, but he's hitting to the right end, and it went sailing over Simon's head. It was just in front of us. Simon's had no show.
Dhoni finishes off in style. A magnificent strike into the crowd. India lift the World Cup.